By using it, you can make sure you run a better and more profitable business. What is Business Advisor? Business Advisor is a one-stop portal for all the essential information you need to grow your business. It is in feature on Seller Center, which allows you to view and analyze your performance and statistics such as revenue, orders, and conversion rate. Through Business Advisor, you can now check your overall performance on the RAS, including the number of orders received to date and the total income you have generated from your business on the RAS. Business Advisor can also be used to understand your overall performance with the help of Performance Dashboard so that you may focus on areas which need improvement in order to grow your sales. Checking your individual product level performance to help you know which products work and which products need improvement. Stay up to date with the changing demands of the customer so you can adapt and change your business strategy accordingly. How to use Business Advisor? To start using Business Advisor, Step 1. Log into Seller Center with your registered ID and password. Step 2. On the Seller Center dashboard, click on Business Advisor. You will land on Business Advisor homepage. Here, you can view your shop performance as well as individual product performance. Shop performance. In the Performance Dashboard, you can input a filter to select the date for which you want to view the performance. You can view statistics such as revenue, total value of paid orders during the selected time period, inclusive of all discounts applied, store credit, shipping fees and surcharges. Visitors, number of customers that have viewed your store during the selected time period. This includes all your store and product pages. Conversion rate, number of buyers divided by number of visitors during the selected time period. Page views, number of times customers have viewed your store during the selected time period. This includes all your store and product pages. Orders, number of orders during the selected time period. Units sold, the total units sold during the selected time period. If 3 units of a product are sold, it reflects 3. These statistics will highlight the strong and weak points of your business, allowing you to plan and make changes to your strategy accordingly. You can also view your shop's performance graph below. The trend shown on this graph will vary depending on what initiatives you took to help boost your sales. If you have participated in campaigns, utilized seller tools or taken any other specific measure such as price cut, content improvement, etc. to help boost your sales. For example, if you see a growth in sales for the given date period, identify what initiatives did you take resulting in an increase of your sales. Did you participate in any campaign or promotion? Did you utilize the seller tools? Did you improve the content and images of your products? Did you reduce the price of your products? This will allow you to monitor the difference to your sales when you are participating in a campaign or taking any other measures, compared to when you are not. You may then make decisions based on this analysis to help improve your sales and overall performance. For all your product listed on Seller Center, you can now view key data such as percentage of products in stock, number of viewed products, number of customers viewing your products, number of products sold and further similar insights. This will give you an opportunity to make the right business decision based on statistics and product performance data. On the product performance page, you will also view tabs such as short of stock, SKUs which are low on stock and estimated to run out within 7 days, manage stock accordingly so that you do not lose out on possible sales. Revenue dropping, products which have had revenue drop in the past week. This will enable you to devise a strategy for these SKUs in order to boost your revenues. For example, offer promotions or discounts. Total revenue loss in the last 30 days. Inactive products which are resulting in a potential sales loss. This will guide you to restock these SKUs in order to boost revenue. Low conversion rate. This will tell you if you need to improve your strategy for certain products. For example, add better images and detailed content to help improve the product's conversion rate. Not selling. Products which have had 0 sales in the last 30 days. This will tell you which products are not selling at all, so that you can plan a different strategy for these. For example, highlight these SKUs via seller picks or offer promotions and discounts on them. Benefits of Business Advisor. Business Advisor allows you to track the effectiveness as well as the results of your business plan and the action you have taken accordingly. For example, if you have lowered price, did it help increase your sales? If you have used seller picks, did it help boost visitors? If you have joined campaigns, did it help boost revenue? You will now be able to tell whether your business plan is working and can set a strategy on making changes accordingly. We hope this video has been useful for you. Thank you.